Do you own a Shopify store and want to drive more traffic from Instagram profile? Hi, I'm Jenny from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I'll show you how to add Shopify store link to Instagram bio. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First, go to your Shopify app, then tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Tap on Settings. Scroll down to Domains. Now click on the Shopify link. Tap on the three-dot button at the top right corner. Select View. Tap on Chrome. Now copy the link from the search bar. Then open Instagram. Tap on your profile on the bottom right corner. Tap on Edit Profile. Tap on Links. Select External Links. Now paste the URL and also enter a title for it. Now click on the blue tick icon in the top right corner. Now Shopify store link has been added to your Instagram bio. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.